to use aloe vera for acne. A member of the succulent family is aloe vera. It has thick, serrated leaves and is an untamed plant. Some individuals use the clear gel found inside aloe vera leaves to cure acne, while others use it topically to calm skin that has been burnt or inflamed. Aloe's effectiveness as a topical acne treatment is likely due to its antibacterial properties. Another school of thought holds that ingesting aloe vera can help hydrate and cure your skin from the inside out, although the data supporting that theory is much less. What are the acne scars? Many people are impacted by acne, a common skin disorder. It happens when pollutants such as oil, dead skin cells, and other substances block the skin pores that house the hair follicles. Acne, which affects many teens and young people, causes various skin problems such as blackheads, pimples, and scars. The red markings left behind by healing acne are not considered scars, as they typically disappear over time. In the location of previous acne lesions, acne scars are elevated or depressed atrophic lesions. Using pure aloe vera topically. Aloe vera by itself could provide the outcomes you're searching for. We are aware of the anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties of aloe vera. It has been utilized for countless years to treat burns, soothe pain, and clean wounds. If you're not allergic to it, there is very little danger associated with using it topically. Trusted source. How to. You may increase the blood flow in your skin and get rid of dangerous germs by buying pure aloe vera and using it liberally on your face in place of a cleanser. To lessen redness and irritation, you can apply aloe to specific acne breakouts, leave it on overnight, then wash it off the next morning. Aloe vera, honey, and cinnamon face mask. Bacteria that cause acne can be controlled and reduced thanks to the antibacterial qualities of aloe vera. Honey and cinnamon are two more compounds that have been investigated and discovered to have the same effect. Verified source, Yulin Creation Shea Acne Free Skin Becoming Thal Home Spa Treatment. How to. For this mask, use pure aloe vera as the base, adding about a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. If you need more to apply this mask evenly across your skin, make sure you maintain a lemon juice to aloe ratio of about 8:1 so that you don't irritate or overwhelm your skin with the acidity of the citrus. Leave the mixture on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off completely. Aloe vera and lemon juice face mask. By cleaning your pores and killing some of the bacteria that may be causing your acne, a face mask with aloe vera and lemon juice can give your face a revitalized and renewed appearance. Fruit acids, like those in lemon juice, have been demonstrated in several clinical studies to be efficient acne cleansing agents. How to. Use 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera as the foundation for this mask and add around a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. To avoid irritating or overpowering your skin with citrus acidity, keep the ratio of lemon juice to aloe at roughly 8:1. If you need to add extra, do so to ensure that the mask is applied evenly throughout your skin. Before thoroughly washing off, let the mixture sit on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Risks and complications of using aloe vera for acne. Although some individuals recommend using aloe juice and tea to cure acne, there is currently little proof that it is effective. There is some evidence trusted source that consuming large amounts of aloe vera might harm your health and increase your chances of developing certain cancers. A considerable amount of aloe should not be consumed until more is understood about the potential hazards. Do a patch test on your wrist, behind your ear, or upper arm to test your skin before applying any new product to your face. Do not attempt to use aloe to cure acne if you have any form of response or redness after using aloe on your skin. Aloe vera may be used in a variety of ways to treat acne at home. The evidence is on your side if you have mild to moderate acne. It has been discovered that aloe vera works well to cure acne and destroy germs. Most individuals should be positive about include aloe vera in their skincare regimen because there is very little danger and a high likelihood of success. Want to change your child's content setting to approved content only? The only movies, channels, and collections that your child may access in this option are the ones you personally choose. The YouTube Kids teams or our partners have selected collections, which include videos and channels organized by subjects like science and music. 1. Open the YouTube Kids app on your child's device. 2. Tap the lock icon in the bottom corner of any page in the app. 3. Complete the multiplication problem or enter your custom passcode. 4. Select Settings. 5. Select your child's profile and enter your parent account password. 6. Select Approved Content only to turn on. 7. Review the info in the Getting Started pop-up. 8. Tap Select. 9. Tap icon on any collection, channel, or video to approve content you'd like to make available to your child. 10. Select Done in the red box at the bottom of the screen to exit.